Hey there everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics, and on today's episode of Squad Busters, we're going to look at how we can customize our emotes in this game. So let's get started. So once you're in your game, just go to your player profile. It should be located at the top left corner of your screen. Now in your player profile, you can also see a emote deck, and you can see a customize button right beside it. Just tap on customize. And here you can see the list of emotes that you own and you don't own. So now to customize your emote deck, you just have to press on the emote that you want to swap. For example, I will take this crying emote and change it with this white flag emote. As you can see, the emote has been changed, and similarly you can customize all 4 emotes as you desire. So that's it on how to customize your emote deck on Squad Busters. If you have any question or run into any trouble, just leave a comment below and I'll try my best to help you guys. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a future video. Thanks for watching.